Okay, let's look at one more example of a confidence interval where sigma is unknown, or in other words, we are given S, the sample standard deviation. A random sample of 19 rainbow trout caught at Brainerd Lake, Colorado has a mean length X bar equals 11.9 inches with sample standard deviation S equals 2.8 inches. Find a 99% confidence interval for the population mean length of all rainbow trout in this lake. All right, so first of all, we have to find that maximal margin of error, which in this case, because we are given the sample standard deviation S, we are going to use a t critical. Now our sample size is 19, and we know anytime we go to our t table, we need the degrees of freedom, which is 19 minus 1, which is 18. Okay? So on my t table, I know I'm going to go degrees of freedom down to 18, and then I want 99%, so 0.990, 18 degrees of freedom, and we are at 2.878. So this is going to be 2.878 times the standard deviation, 2.8, divided by the square root of 19. Okay. So let's work that out. Maybe. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. All right, 2.878 times 2.8 divided by the square root of 19 is 1.8487, so 1.85. All right, so our confidence interval, x bar minus e, is less than mu is less than x bar plus e. So our sample mean x bar, 11.9 minus 1.85, is less than mu is less than 11.9 plus 1.85. So 11.9 minus 1.85 is 10.05. Good grief. Is less than mu is less than, and then 11.9 plus 1.85 is 13.75. All right, so we've got our maximal margin of error. We've got our confidence interval. Now let's write our conclusion, okay? I am 99% confident that the population mean, okay, the population mean, and we come up here, the population mean length of all rainbow trout in this lake, okay? So the population mean length of all rainbow trout in this lake is between 10.05 and 13.75 inches. Good. Okay, so anytime you work in these, do the error, get your interval, write your conclusion. All right, let me know if you have any questions.